How to set up Do Not Disturb in Google Voice. First of all, open the Google Voice app on your phone and make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. In the menu options, you will see the feature called Do Not Disturb, which by default is usually set to off. Now tap on the off button next to Do Not Disturb to enable it. Once it is turned on, Google Voice will stop ringing on your devices whenever you receive calls. Instead of ringing, all incoming calls will be directly forwarded to voicemail, allowing you to check them later at your convenience. If you ever want to receive calls again, you can easily disable this feature at any time. Simply go back to the same setting and tap on to switch the option back to off. Now you know how to set up Do Not Disturb in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.